pros of managing your own rental property are short, but they can be beneficial from time to time. It's a more hands-on approach, so you have more of the ins and outs of the day-to-day things that go along with the property. If that's what you're into, you can certainly manage it yourself. You're likely to receive a faster payment if the tenant pays you rent. Let's say you have a tenant that's a good quality tenant and pays you rent every month on the first, on time, without fail. You will receive that payment faster than you will with the property manager, because we have to submit it to our trust account. We have to allow that payment to clear before we can disperse it out to our property owners. So you will get a few days faster rent payment. You will know about every single little maintenance item that comes along. You'll know it ahead of time. Often a property manager is not going to be able to notify you because we have systems in place that handle routine and emergency maintenance on your behalf. That's what you hire us for. But you will know about every single one if you are self-managing your property. You will have sole discretion on each and every applicant of your property. If you're hiring a property manager, you're likely not to have any discretion or say-so as to which applicant comes through. The only way that's different with us is if we have a multiple applicant situation, then we will bring our property owner in to help in the decision-making process. Those are your pros for managing the property on your own.